how to publish a Roblox game. So just go ahead and open your project or whichever kind of thing you're working on. So we're just gonna make a new one just to show you as an example, and we're gonna add something or whatever you want. In our case, we're just gonna add an incredible and amazing detailed cat. Let's put Maxwell the cat over here since it's free. And once your amazing project is done, what you're gonna have to do is navigate yourself to the top left corner, which is the files over here, and press done. You could always test it first, of course, but in your file you should be able to see these options, which is publish to Roblox or Alt P. There's going to be a quick toggle if you'd like, but you can also choose public to Roblox as. So just go ahead and choose an either, and then you're going to put in your basic info. You're going to put in your name, description for the project, the creator, which is of course going to be you, the devices, team create if you'd like, and data sharing. Then just go ahead and press on create. The save was failed, but it's gonna say save failed at first, but that's probably just loading. It should just show something like this. So once that's done, it should just finish up like so. We can go back to our studio, and it's just gonna enter into our recent experience. We can open it if we'd like in a different page, but that's pretty much how you publish games in Roblox. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.